Very good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to continue 8.2 exercise. The fourth main are true or false, then followed by examples, page number 185, 6 and 7. So let us discuss 8.2 exercise, fourth main. Here the fourth main is given. Fourth main, state whether the following are true or false, justify your answer. So true or false, dear children, true or false, very very important. In the MCQs we have 20 are there in the public examination. That's why true or false very very important. Here sin A plus B equals, the first one, equals to sin A plus sin B. This is wrong answer, sir. Why it is wrong answer? Suppose sin A plus B means, now I am going to give an example. Here the first one explanation I am giving here. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B equals to sin A plus sin B they are asking. So our answer is wrong answer. Why sir it is wrong? So suppose A plus B means A equals to, you have to take some example I am taking. A equals to 60 degrees I am taking. B equals to 30 degrees. Equals to here sin A means how much it is now? 60 plus sin B means sin 30 degrees. Sin 60 plus 30 degrees, how much it is? Sin 90 degrees equals to here sin 60 plus sin 30. Sin 60 degrees, how much it is here now? Sin 60. Sin 60 equals to root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 value, sin 30 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Here it is the root 3 plus 1 by 2 it is. When we are coming to the LHS part, sin 90 equals to, sin 90 degrees equals to 1. The 1 is not equals to root 3 plus 1 by 2. That's why the answer is the false answer, first one. Here it is the, that's why sin A plus B, this is equals to sin A plus sin B means it is the false answer. That's why the first one is false answer. When we are coming to the second one, just read it carefully. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. That means when the theta is increases, theta means degree. A theta increases, sin theta is going to be increasing. Just now look at the table here now. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases means here look at here, this is the sin. Here theta increases, look at here, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45, 60, 90. The theta is increasing. When the theta is increasing, sin value also increasing or not? Sin 0 degrees, 0, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1. Finally, the sin 90 value 1. The sin 0 degrees value 0. When the theta is increasing 0 to 90 degrees, and the sin value also increasing from 0 to 1. So it is increasing. Yes, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. When the theta is increasing, sin value also increasing. That is true answer. That's why the second one it is the value of sin theta increases as theta increases means it is true answer. Third one, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Yes, cos theta we have to see. This is the cos theta. Now cos theta also theta increasing. 0 to 90 degrees it is increasing. Cos theta values are decreasing. Once you see that here 1 and the final answer is the 0. This is decreasing. The sign is theta increasing and value also increasing 0 to 1. When we are coming to the cos, theta increases, the value is decreasing. That's why it is the third one. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases means it is false answer. When we are coming to the sin theta equals to cos theta, for all values of theta, sin theta equals not, it is not possible for all values of theta. Sin theta, look at here, this is the explanation I am giving. Sin theta equals to cos theta. Therefore, sin theta by cos theta equals to 1. Sin by theta, sin theta by cos theta means tan theta equals to 1 means what is the answer of tan theta? Here 1 it is there. Tan theta equals to, in tan, what is the one value? Tan. One value is the 45 degrees. That means tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees. Here is the tan theta. Therefore, tan get the answer. Theta equals to 45. Only for theta equals to 45 it is true. It is not for all values of theta. For all values of theta it is false answer. Only theta equals to 45 degrees it is true answer. That's why it is the false answer. Sin theta equals to cos theta for all values of theta, it is false answer. Now cot A is not defined for A equals to 0. Where is the cot? Here it is the cot, it is a cot value. Cot A equals to A equals to 0 degrees. This is 0 degrees. 0 degrees answer of cot 0 degrees answer. What is that? Not defined. Yes, not defined. It is true answer. So these are the fourth main, first 5 true or false. Based on this one, total exercise 8.2 completed. Before exercise 8.2, we are having the 3 examples are there. That is example 6 and example 7 and example 8 also. Example 8 is the model of exercise 8.2 third main. So yesterday I have told you that based on the third main you can solve the example 8 that will be given once again to the WhatsApp group. Now I am going to explain the examples. So what are the examples here now? Example 6, page number 185. In triangle ABCD, angle B is 90 degrees. Yes, this is the triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. And the side AB equals to 5 cm and ACB equals to 30 degrees. Determine the lengths of the sides of BC and AC. So in right angle triangle, given that in triangle ABC, right angle at 90 degrees, that is B equal 90, ACB equals to 30. This is ACB means in the middle one, angle C, 30 degrees. So we have to find out the one side is given, the remaining two sides AC and BC we have to find out. When it is these two are required, now 30 I am going to consider, 30 degrees. 30 degrees means here 90, here 30, whatever here now, 60. The sum of the three angles are equals to, sum of the three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. 90 plus 30, 120, 120 plus, this is equal to 60. 30 I am going to consider now. 30 means suppose sin angle 30. Sin 30. Sin 30. Sin 30 degrees. 30 degrees, what is the definition of sin? 30 degrees opposite side by hypotenuse. 30 degrees opposite side, what is that? AB. AB by AC. Sin definition, what is that? 30 degrees opposite. Here A means A opposite side by hypotenuse. 30 degrees means 30 degrees opposite side by hypotenuse. 30 degrees opposite side AB by AC. AB by AC. AB they are given 5 cm by AC. 5 by AC. Therefore, sin 30 degrees value, sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. It's very, very important. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 from the table. 1 by 2 equals to 5 by AC. Therefore, cross multiplication AC into 1 equal to AC. 2 into 5 equal to 10 centimeters. Now we got the one side. AC we got it. This is AC we got it. The remaining one is the BC. BC also I am planning to take 30 degrees only. Tan I am planning. Why means tan 30 degrees means 30 degrees opposite side by adjacent side. 30 degrees opposite side, what is that? AB. 30 degrees adjacent side means BC. AB value we know very well. That is given 5 centimeters by BC equals to. Here BC, what is the BC? We have to find out that the third side that is. BC we have to find out. 5 by BC. AB equal to 5. BC we have to find 5 by BC. Tan 30 we have to get from the table. Tan 31. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equals to 5 by BC. Therefore, cross multiplication BC into 1 BC equals to 5 into square root of 3. That is meters. That is centimeters equals to BC. Therefore, what are the requirements here now? Sides BC equals to sides BC 5 root 3 and AC equals to 10 centimeters. This is the example 6. When we are coming to the same model of example 6 only, example 7 also, in triangle PQR, this is the PQR triangle, angle P equals to 90 degrees, PQ equals to 3 centimeter and PR equal to 6 centimeter. They are asking to find out, determine QPR. This is the angle we have to find out, and one more PRQ also, PRQ. So here this is the given data. Here triangle PQR, angle Q equals to 90. PQ equals to 3 centimeter, PR equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, QPR equals to what is the here? What is the required here? Angle P is required. P means here is. We are going to consider the angle P, that is acute angle. So here I am going to these two sides we know very well. We don't know the third side. We don't know third side one. We are going to find out the QPR angle and PRQ angle. So here is a P means I am going to take the cos P. Cos P. Here P is a P. Cos P definition, what is it? Side adjacent to P. Side adjacent to P means what is that? PQ by hypotenuse. PQ by PR. Therefore, cos P equals PQ value how much is 3? 3 by 6.
T by 6 means 1 by 2. In the 1 by 2, cos values here, cos p is there. Cos p equals to 1 by 2 means, what is that? Therefore, 1 by 2 value the cos, that is the cos value 1 by 2 16. Therefore, cos p equals to cos 16. Cos get cancelled. Cos p equal to cos 16. Cos get cancelled on both sides. Therefore, p equal to 60 degrees. Dear children, here p equal to 60 degrees. Now we got it by here now 60. Yes, and this is the given one is 90. 90 plus 60, 150. The remaining one, how much it is? R, 30 degrees. Therefore, that we are going to write PRQ equals to 30 degrees. 90 plus 60, 150. The sum of these angles are equal to 180. 180 minus 150 means, therefore, PRQ angle equals to 30. In this example 7, we got the two angles, that is the QPR equals to 60. From here we got it, and by the sum of these two we have to subtract from the third angle 180. Then we are going to get the R equals to 30 degrees. In this example 6, what is there? Sides we got it. Well, one side it is given. We are going to by sin 30 we got it AC, and the tan 30 we got it BC. So these are the two examples, example 6 and example 7. These are the two are false. The example 8, page number 186, that is a homework. Once you can go through that and find that sum. Thank you. Have a nice day.